doing?
I was looking for Post-its.
You mean post-itachios?
What?
Shh. I don't know what you're getting at.
Maybe Sheila knows what you're getting at.
What has gotten into you? And who's Sheila? Anyways, this kitchen is filthy. Clean it up. I'm going back to my office and I'm going to try and get some work done.
Joyce, hi. About to, excuse me. Jimmy. Word around the office is you're jonesing for some nuts. I have a line on some Nutman pistache.
Oh, yeah? How much?
$10.
$10? That's crazy. How do I know they're the real thing?
First one's free.
Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff.
Tell your friends. Sheila. So how are you set for snacks? Tell your friends. Joyce, hi. I was just...
You're not going anywhere.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm a weak, pathetic man.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. What are you talking about?
You know where the nuts are hidden and I want some. Name your price.
$10, $15 a bag.
15? I'm not paying that.
I'm sure there are other methods of payment.
15 is fine. Cheap. Maxwell, hi.
Uh-huh. What can I do for you?
I was the person who returned your wallet the other day.
Uh-huh.
And, well, you didn't seem that grateful. But I know you've had a lot going on with the funeral arrangements and the insurance for the boat and everything. But I thought I would come by and give you the opportunity to say thank you.
Are you really that insecure that a thank you from me will help prop up your fragile ego? Oh, maybe money will help.
I didn't come here for...
Here, let me give you 10. You know what? Make it $20. Thank you so much for finding my wallet.
Okay, now you're just getting...
Whatever would I have done if you hadn't swooped down and changed... Hey! Wait a second!
See, was I right or...
Run!
Oh, crap.
Madre de changos.
Did it go up again?
Way up.
Well, he never gave you a price limit, did he?
But $150 seems awfully high for a bubbly head.
He wants it pretty bad.
I guess you're right.
Hey, Anna. How's that bobblehead bidding going?
Well, you're on top for now. But that disco diva is a nasty hag.
There's no need for name-calling.
Oop. I have a meeting with Joyce.
But you're on my list of people she doesn't have meetings with.
Taylor, so good to see you.
Really?
Come on in, let's get started. Can I get you anything?
Well, I have some good news.
He's gonna thank me. Finally. I guess sometimes in this old world you need to steal someone's wallet to help them realize what an ass he is.
Not exactly. He's going to have you released, but only if you thank him for not pressing charges.
Thank him? I'd rather die. I'd rather be dipped in chocolate, cut up into little pieces, put in boxes, and fed to hungry housewives who sit around watching daytime soaps. Where the hell am I going with this?
No idea. But even though he's a jerk, I still think you should thank him.
Give me one good reason why.
Because it doesn't look good to have a children's author with a record for theft and resisting arrest.
I wasn't resisting arrest. I was resenting arrest.
He bit me.
Out of resentment.
Now this is crazy.
What? Did it go up again?
That's it. I am not paying $250 for a bubbly head.
You're not paying. Taylor's paying.
Not anymore, he isn't.
But there's only 10 seconds left.
You've won this time, disco diva.
No. Damn it!
I know. I'm upset too.
Thank you.
What was that? I couldn't hear you.
I said thank you
For
not pressing charges.
because
Because I stole your wallet. After you were being a jerk for not thanking me for finding your wallet.
you're welcome. I certainly hope you've learned your lesson.
And I hope you sit on something sharp.
Here are those contracts you asked for. Hi, Crystal. That's it. I'm taking the rest of the nuts and hiding them somewhere nobody knows but me.
Yeah. About that?
They're all gone. You sold all my nuts?
Not sold. Okay, yeah, I sold them, but look at how much cash I made.
I'll take that. I have a certain Mo bobblehead to pay for.
You have a what?
This sucks.
Yes, it does. Although maybe one day you'll look back on this and laugh.